Hello and welcome to our newborn photography safety series brought to you by Stand-In Baby. My name is Sandra Moffat, and in an effort to make sure that we bring you all the information and facts relating to newborn safety, joining me throughout this series is well-respected neonatal nurse Anne-Marie Fieri, who will be advising us on the essentials to safely working with newborns in a studio environment. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about safety issues with newborn photography. But before we start, I'd like to say that if you are unsure about anything you hear during this series, please seek advice from a medical practitioner near you and get the answers that you need. If you have been given information from other sources, make sure it's a reliable source because the health and well-being of our clients should always be put first. We will be demonstrating throughout this series with a Stand-In Baby because I not only want to point out what to do, but I also want to point out what not to do and the consequences of that, which clearly we can't do with a real baby. So let's get started. Thank you so much for joining me, Anne-Marie, and helping to educate our industry on newborn safety in a photography environment. Now, I know that you actually have been working with newborns. You're a neonatal nurse, and you're currently actually advising the government right now. Explain a bit more about that.
So what I'm doing is I'm actually a clinical nurse consultant, and I am reviewing evidence-based clinical neonatal guideline. I'm also doing a PhD, and I'm looking at how the space of a single family room influences parents' behaviour and experiences, and if those experiences, if it actually facilitates preterm infant and parental closeness, if it brings the parents and the baby closer together.
Wow, so you actually know quite a lot about newborns, especially the neonatal newborns. You've actually worked in the neonatal units, haven't you?
I have.
And so photographers, we actually, I personally work with babies between 3 and 10 days old, but I know that there is also some people who work from 2 days old called 48-hour fresh sessions. And so what are some of the things that we as photographers should be wary of?
So can I just start off, Sandra, saying how much I admire you?
Oh, thank you.
I think you have got a phenomenal, I don't want to call her a product, but she is a learning tool. In the aviation and health industry, we actually use low fidelity mannequins